Who is Maistrang Laagan? Who is she behind those pretty smiles you see on camera? Maistrang Laagan is a PhD student, a DOST scholar, a coach's daughter,
When we were here,
a stage
we're waiting for
mother,
Kuya Kambal. That's when Kuya Kambal
and a loving wife to a supportive husband. Aside from that, she's a certified country girl, a nature lover who always loves and appreciates the beauty of nature, an adventure seeker who's always ready for every adventure that life throws at her. Maistrang Laagan always displays a happy disposition in every opportunity. With the many beautiful beaches in her hometown, she has grown to become a certified beach lover who enjoys much of the sand, the beautiful splashing of waves, and the heat of the sun that touches her skin, loving her skin color even more. She has always been a cheerful person and always grateful for the many blessings she received in life. Expect to see more of this gratefulness in her channel as she takes you to the places she has been.
Ito siya, Teen Crust.
Expect to see more food vlogs, some establishment reviews with happy friends, travel, my love for photography, and anything that I see worth capturing. You'll also get to see my fondness for fashion, my ukay transformations, proving that Maistrang Laagan has always been living a simple life, but has always been taking things graciously. She believes that whatever it is you do in life, always chin up. Because at the end of the day, it is your story that you create. Enjoy because there's more to life, so continue swinging. In my future vlogs, I plan to feature more of the beauty of my place in Mindanao, and I hope and pray to get more support from you in the future. This has been your Maistrang Laagan, and from the bottom of my heart, I would like to say thank you for supporting me since the start of my journey. Thank you for wandering with me.